Today I'm going to take you through the basics of navigating the Skyjed platform. When you first log in, you'll be taken to the main Skyjed dashboard. Think of this as your product portfolio overview, and there are three main sections here. The first is the product strategy summary. This is a list of your products and their health index ratings. You then have My Actions. This is a list of outstanding actions within your existing product audits. Underneath, you have Comments, and this is a summary of comments that have been raised within any of your existing product audits. You can quickly go to any of these three sections by clicking the pop-out boxes to the top right. If at any stage you want to go back to the main Skyjed dashboard, simply click on the Skyjed logo to the very top left. Now I'm going to take you through navigating the purple sidebar to the left. At the very top, you have the checklist icon. Clicking this will take you to a list of all of your existing product audits. From here, you can see the product name, the portfolio that it sits within, and the lifecycle status of that product. You can also collapse any of these products to get further information. Next is the action icon. This takes you to an overview of any of the outstanding actions. You can collapse any of these items to see more information about that action. Next is the Comments button. Clicking this will take you to a summary of all comments that have been left within your product audits. The Reports dashboard is next. Once a product audit has been published, you can view the performance by domain as well as overall health index from this screen. If you'd like to go to any of these products, you can simply click on the product and it will take you straight to that audit. Next is the plus icon in the sidebar. Clicking this allows you to create a product. Then, down the bottom, you can access the Knowledge Center if you have any questions or need any help whilst using Skyjed. Then we have the cog icon. Clicking this will take you to your Skyjed settings, and here you can modify your name, email, or password. You can also manage your virtual team here. You can invite and remove users with different levels of access. You can create teams, activate portfolios, and create custom drivers to add to your overall product audit health score. And finally, the last button on the sidebar allows you to log out and exit the Skyjed platform. To get back to that main dashboard, all you need to do is click on the Skyjed logo to the top left.